You just saw a baby.
It's evil.
Evil?
Yeah.
And then?
He's a joke. He's a joke.
What?
He's a joker.
He's a joker, and then?
He bite me.
He bite you? Oh my gosh. It's called nightmare. Because you sleep a lot and you did not eat food. Maybe you're hungry or you're thirsty. So tell me about your dream. What did you see in your dream?
Bite my fingers.
He bite your fingers? Oh my god, he's a bad boy. He's an evil? Why you know that it's an evil? What?
He's just evil.
He just evil?
Yeah.
You know, who told you that there's an evil?
The Joker.
A joker? I think that's a play card.
Yeah.
It's a bad dream. You tell Nino to guide you. I always taught you that to pray to Nino, right? Yeah, what?
And that one is a nightmare.
How did you know it's a nightmare?
Because he's a joker because he bite.
I think that's a game. You have a bad dream.
Yeah. When it comes up, he just bite me. And it's real.
It's real? It's not real? It's a bad dream.
Oh.
That's why you have to eat in the right time, because you sleep and you did not eat. You have to eat in the right time. Now it's already 12 midnight. And you did not eat and drink your milk yet. What will you say to me? What will you say to me, Mommy, if you make a bad things in your life? What will you say to Mommy?
I just there's a joker and also a baby.
Yeah.
And the baby is a joker because I'm just evil too.
You're the evil too? You're an angel. You're not an evil.
No. My eyes are just so black.
Where did you watch that? You watched that in YouTube, no?
No.
How did you know that's evil? I did not teach you that there's an evil. Who taught you that?
The Joker. Joker.
Joker? I did not know who's Joker is.
That one is the bad one. He was just evil because that one is a nightmare. Because he just bite me in my fingers like this. It's like God.
Like that.